Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video, we will study about civil work project scheduling. So what is project scheduling? We will study this topic in this video. But before starting the video, I will request you to subscribe our channel Smart Solution if you haven't subscribed it yet, and also press the bell notification icon. So what is project scheduling? Civil project scheduling. The project different items are described in steps along with their duration in different types of schedule. These schedules are basically made for like how the resources or the construction material will be achieved, will be retrieved, and what should be its source. So these types of schedule are made for that purpose. And where should the labor come from, and the equipment and financial schedule, like these are the schedules for various sources of construction civil works. And these schedules are prepared in tables. Material machinery are obtained from the government stores, and laborers are hired with the help of these schedules. Like construction schedule defines way of construction in different parts of project and total amount of work. Like this define what is the total amount of work and in which way all the stages of construction work will be done and by whom. So this construction schedule define these things. Material schedule will define all the different material and their utilization and from where they would be retrieved and their date-wise entry. And the labor schedule will define various type of hired, work charge, skilled and unskilled labor. What type of labor, skilled and unskilled work charge labor will be hired date wise. Equipment schedule would talk about different type of machinery and their utilization, and financial schedule would talk about total cost analysis in each step, in each stage of construction. So these are basically schedules for labors, for construction, for construction and construction cost, for equipment and for material. So these are important to make schedules and work according to that those schedules. So this is known as civil work project scheduling. So I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.